Ask you nicely. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God. Quiet me! And fill out a f***ing form!
This woman is about to find out that repeatedly calling the police for no reason and acting like this at a police station is not okay. Foreshadowing.
Absolutely not. So he has refused to call.
Have you guys been helped already?
We spoke with a sergeant.
Are they with you? Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back.
That's not true.
We took your complaint.
There is no complaint.
You're not going to keep taking the same complaint over and over again, and I explained that to you. The fact that you don't like, don't get in his
Don't get in his face.
The fact that you don't like that.
You can touch my things and I can't get in your personal space. You can touch my things and I can make it in your personal space. Now you're touching me. Now you're
Let's step outside.
Absolutely not. My
Nope,
things are
you
here.
just touched him.
No, I did not. He touched me. He touched me. He touched me. He touched me.
Stay away from him. Don't get in his face.
One of these 3 complaints that I have today is about officer coming down here on the 17th and pretending to take 2 citizen complaint affidavits. I have not at any moment before this, at no moment before this, have I put in a complaint about that. So that is not a repeat. And rather than take it, which this policy says you must do, you invalidated it and pretended that the material I was showing you didn't exist.
They have given you what you requested.
Yes, boy, thank you very much. There's no reason I have to leave here. I can get out my book and sit here and read as much as I'd like.
You can sit here and read all day, but you can't stand here and scream and yell when there are people in here.
You can't come down here and refuse to take my citizen complaint affidavit. There is no margin for you to refuse. It does not say there anywhere.
Please.
I have a complaint about Gregory lying to me on the phone yesterday. That's getting filled out right now. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. As your policy says that you will do. And nobody told me when I called here on the 5th asking how to do it.
Nicely.
You don't.
Leave the lobby.
It doesn't know. You, as we established, you have no right to make me leave the lobby.
You need to.
You have no right to make me leave the lobby. You have no right to make me leave here. You had no right to touch me, which you did. You had no right. Yes, you did. You touched me.
You came at me.
You touched me.
I never
You
looked.
had no right to pick my things up and carry them out there. You have no right to touch my things.
I'm going to ask
You have no right to touch my things. Literally lying. These aren't repeats. I have never complained about that pretending. They pretended to take 2 citizen complaint affidavits. They put the numbers on the pages. They went back there and made a copy for me and then didn't sign them. And then Shields comes down here going, I don't know what you're talking about.
You're not here for her, are you?
Yeah, they called for 94.
All right, stand there with me.
Stand up. Stand up. Please stand up. Stand up. Ask you nicely. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God. No, this is not okay. This is not okay. Please, somebody do something about this. This is not okay.
Don't.
Crosby, please.
Stop.
This is not okay.
Stop.
This is not okay.
Stop.
This is not okay. 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 Please, please, please,
Stop.
please. I am under arrest for no reason.
Stop.
I am under arrest for no reason. I am under arrest for no reason.
Stop.
This is not okay.
Stop
This is
resisting.
not okay. This is not okay. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this.
Don't kick.
This
You're
is
going to
not
catch a charge.
okay. You want? What are you arresting me? On what are you arresting me? On what are you arresting me? I have every right to sit in this lobby and fill out a citizen complaint affidavit. Oh my God! Oh my fucking God! Oh my fucking God! Oh my God! You are hurting me! You are hurting me! You are no! Why should I relax? You're breaking violating my rights! You are absolutely arrested?
Put your foot in.
Why am I being arrested?
Put your feet in.
Why am I being arrested? What was I doing? Why am I being arrested? 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 We established that I am allowed to sit there quietly and fill out a f***ing form. We established that. Why are you arresting me?
You
are hurting me.
You are resisting. If you stop resisting.
That is not true. You have no right to be arresting me.
Y'all need a female? All right, ma'am, you got anything on you that's going to put me?
No, I don't have anything on me. There is no reason to be arresting me. I was sitting quietly in the lobby filling out a form that it is my right to fill out. And these officers came up and arrested me. Told me to stand.
What do you need?
Told me to stand. Told me to stand. And I have every right to be sitting there. What law was I breaking when I was sitting there? What law was I breaking when I was sitting there?
Stop!
No! Answer me what law I was breaking.
Hey, quit kicking.
Answer me what law I was breaking. Answer me what law I was breaking. Answer me what law I was breaking.
Are you on any medication?
Yes, I am.
Anything that you're gonna need soon?
I need some shoes
Trying to keep.
because my feet are burning, which is the reason I was doing this.
Quick.
So that's not kicking anyone. That's because my feet are hot. So there you go.
had a chance to
You
sit in your
have
car.
one body cam.
You had a chance to sit in your car.
Oh, in the
Stand
hot
over
f***ing car. I have every right to sit in that lobby and fill in a form. You don't have a right to tell me to leave, officer. You don't have a right to tell me to leave. You can't tell me to leave.
5 days after being taken into custody, she received a call from one of the officers, and what she said was unbelievable.
Hey, how you doing? It's Officer Bates.
Yes.
Hey, did you get
I'm
my...
not bothered for how I'm doing because that's a rhetorical question. Go ahead.
There was a misunderstanding, all right? Your phone is not placed as evidence. It's placed for safekeeping. You are able to come retrieve your phone. So,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm here at the Sheriff's Department to file some more complaints about the jail and about your behavior at the jail. And I didn't catch that because other people were talking. I'm sorry. There was a misunderstanding I heard. That's all I heard.
you can come retrieve your phone.
Okay, sure. And the paperwork that I was asking about while you were arresting me was the one that got left behind.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, you nearly left my sandals on the hood of your car because you were so unconcerned about the person under whom you were putting under arrest unfairly. So thanks so much. I will make an appointment with your evidence department, and as I'm here to clear up as well.
Okay, I got one more thing to...
Which officer am I accused of having battered? What is his name?
Commander Sanif.
Great. Thank you so much.
Hold up. Can I explain one more thing to you?
Yeah, go ahead.
So you know you were issued a trespass for the Northport Police Department.
Yes, I do.
Okay. I went by your residence. I placed a form on your door, okay?
As you still seem to understand, that is not my door, or other than an apartment around back.
So, Sharon,
when I called over the week.
So listen, I left it on the door around back. The lady that was there told me exactly which door was yours. So listen,
Great.
I actually was doing you a favor. So anytime you were trespass from public property, you can appeal it. So I actually was nice enough to give you the appeal form. But for you to appeal it, you need to do it through City Hall, okay?
You are not doing. I'm already trespassed off City Hall.
Okay, but if you call, so if you call City Hall, so you can call City Hall. You can call City Hall. You can call City Hall and schedule an appointment for your appeal. If you set up an appeal, you have authorized business to be there that day.
I'll make that call once I have my phone back. Thank you so much for taking it from me over the weekend. That was so kind of you to do.
All right. You got any questions for me?
I guess you wanted.
Do you have any questions for me?
Appreciation for coming to my home.
Do you have any questions for me? All right. Thank you.
Sharon was charged with felony battery on a law enforcement officer and felony resisting with violence. She was later appointed a public defender who filed a motion raising concerns about her competency to stand trial. Following a court-ordered evaluation, a judge ruled that Sharon was not competent to proceed at this time. The case remains ongoing, and she is currently being held at a state facility for treatment and further evaluation. As with all criminal cases, she is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.